Also, we're here to test this engine oil.
Yep, it's called Platinum 40 X-rays. It's a semi-synthetic oil. Specification niya is 20W50 JASO MA2.
Okay, so paano ba natin i-measure? I-test yung engine oil?
Okay, so first is yung texture.
Yeah. Number 2 is yung volume. Yung then, natira, no?
Oo, yung natira after natin gamitin. Then yung color.
So, naglagay kami dito ng 800 ml sa bike na to. This is Honda Click 150.
Akin na yung top. Thank you.
Yeah, so, may 800 na dito. Pakita natin yung remaining para makita din natin yung color. Wow. Tataktak ko ba to?
May lumalabas ba yan? Okay na yan.
Okay na to?
Okay yan.
So, that is...
It's about... Yep.
Ilang ml?
200 ml. Papakita natin, lapit natin.
Yeah, 200 ml.
200 ml.
So, yung color? Let's remember na lang.
Medyo gold.
Yeah.
Ang kulay.
And then, let's see the texture. Let's feel it. Kasi yung process natin, finger. Pwede bang doon na lang ako muna?
Oh, dutin mo na lang.
Ikaw din. Tig-isa tayo. So, this is how we measure. Ginagawa na namin ito matagal na. For us to remember yung texture niya. Feel mo?
Yep, there's a gap.
Kung metal ka, ako metal. Ano tayo?
Ganyan.
Okay. So, this is the texture. So, we have the color, texture, volume. So, saan natin ito i-test? We'll go to far north.
Far north.
Yeah. Then,
ikutin namin yan.
pagbalik namin, babalik kami dito.
We'll try the oil.
Yes.
We'll check the texture. We'll check the color. We'll check the volume.
Yeah.
So, mga ilang kilometro ba yung matatakbo natin? More than 1,000? No?
Yeah, more than 1,000. Yeah.
So, maganda-gandang test yun.
So, maglulup tayo. From here, from Pasig to Apari, to Pagudpud, back to Manila.
Yes.
Alright? See you again? Pagbalik namin.